jealous because you ain't got none.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I just thought I had a hairy spider in the front of my lens there, but it was just zoomed in on this thing over here.
What, my tit?
No, your boob.
My boob? Oh.
Anyway,
sorry, tit's a bad
today's August 30th. It's a Friday. Trying to get Kim excited.
Wayne's getting an uprise there. He's in an uprise position.
Anyway, so we're out on McDougall Lake. Donald, Ralph, and myself. This is
How you doing?
Wayne Archer. Okay. Hi.
How you doing?
And so far, Ralph has got one small itty bitty bass.
Yeah, I won $1 for it though.
Yeah, right. He did win $1. Okay, and the wind is out of the southwest. Right now, it is exactly 12:15.
The fish
and
are
we
biting.
have really got nothing in the way of fish. But it's been raining for days, so anyway,
That was his excuse.
we'll come back in a few minutes after I catch myself a nice big fish here. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Click it up. Okay, now okay. Should say record, right? Yep.
This is
Okay,
Wayne.
I'm right over here to your right.
It was my idea to troll too, folks.
Yes, it was, Ralph. Okay. Oh, yeah. Come on. Okay.
Come on, jump again. She just jumped twice.
Okay, yeah. Jump. Oh, way the heck up
Way
there,
the heck
too,
up in the air. I bet you about 5 feet, 4 or 5 feet.
Okay, he's right in here, close down.
Whereabouts?
Right about there.
See the line going here? There, right down below us.
Get
About
away.
15 feet. 10 feet.
So about 10 feet, right about here.
Down. You're aiming in the wrong direction.
Right there, look.
Here.
Right over here, look.
There he is coming. He's going to come up. He's going
It's
to
gonna
come
come
up.
up, it's gonna come up. You got him?
No, I don't know.
Okay, watch the tip of the rod.
There he is. Where is he?
There he is,
Oh,
right
he
out
sure
there. Look at the
feels good.
size of him. See him now?
I got him.
Oh, there. Whoa, look at that.
That's about 5 pound, bud.
Oh,
Move
look
that
at
end of
that.
that line, Ralph. Move the end of that line.
I think that one's about 5 pound or more.
Whoa.
Don't step
He's going to
back.
come up. He's coming up.
He's gonna jump.
Oh,
Oh,
got him.
beauty. You got him? All right. Get him over here. I want to get him in the net. That's a beauty.
Oh, he got off.
Oh, shit. That was
Oh.
a nice 5 pounder, too.
Oh, wasn't that nice?
Oh, it's McDougall Lake. Wayne just had a real nice one on him.
Oh my God, I lost
Oh, there he
$2.
is.
You lost. There goes your
Oh,
2
that's
bucks.
right,
Right there,
People
look.
just
I would've-
lose $2.
I would have let him go, but I'd at least like to collect him like $2. Hey,
Oh,
Since it was my idea.
Hey, Dad.
there's Wayne.
There
Shut
goes
the camera off.
your
Shut the camera off.
Shut the camera off, he says.
Oh,
Shut the camera
geez,
off.
that was nice though.
Well, that was
I
a
knew
nice
you were gonna lose
one.
those
That was in about 8 feet of water, people.
And Donnie just lost the lure, too, just
I just
before that.
blew a lure.
Yeah, it just came across that 5 foot. Really is what it was.
Yeah, but it was out farther.
Come on, baby. Seriously? I swear to God. All right. Get that camera going. Uh-oh, he just lost our $2 on. Put him. Woo!
Oh, nice grabber. All right.
You should have seen him come out of the water, Wayne.
Whereabouts is he, Ralph?
What?
Oh, he's under the rock.
Oh, jump over here. Get over here, maybe.
Okay, I got him.
Let me get the net.
Yeah.
Where's the net? Where's the net? Oh,
We're on McDougall Lake, and Ralph just hooked another one.
where's my shirt?
This is about our 18th of today. Hey, there he is, people. We
I was
got
gonna
him.
just stop fishing too, folks.
And Wayne's a net man, and Ralph caught him. There we are.
Keep her or what?
Nice looking bass, Ralph.
Hey, smile, guys.
Jeez. I was just about to quit.
We
That was
just
my
smiled,
last
we
cast.
We just lost some money in that one, though.
That's all right. Don't mind that.
Yeah. Black 2 jig. And you got them at 655.
Hey, there might be a...
Come in now, too.
Hey, look at that baby.
Nice color.
Want to put him in the well there, brother?
We caught him at the dam, and it's around 6:55,
I already said that.
August 30th, on a Friday. What a night. We're just about to go swimming.
Yeah.
Rainy over here just got about 10 over the other side of that dam.
Wayne's just saying he had about 10, but
You
you know, it's
it's about,
about, he kind of doubled it a bit, but
I had the biggest stuff in both now. Well,
There's Ralph. You can see a smile on his face because he won some money there.
Another $2. I caught the first fish and the biggest.
Yo! Don the Baptist? Oh, here we are out at McDougal Lake, January the 14th.
What? Yeah, just like fucking ice here. I see some ice plugs. Let's break this with our ice breaker. See some ice plugs here a bit.
Well, you cleared quite an area, I guess.
Oh my god.
Oh, you got it.
Oh shit. What's about to do? Real thick. Oh. Oh, fuck that thing.
Hey. Two polar bear swimmers out there.
Huh?
2 polar bear swimmers.
I stand up.
I better leave my ring in the wind.
See, the boat's rocking me against the rock here.
There goes Ralph.
Oh, Ralph again. What do you know?
Oh, gee.
Is it cold?
Boy, howdy. That's cold.
Here, Queen. Put that in your pocket or something.
All right.